Our AI caller bot has called over 4,000 times several debtors. In total, there was in these call campaigns average 150 up to 180 unique debtors. And we have had an extra revenue about nearly, I'd say, 10,000 euros.
Okay, that's good. So it has paid itself kind of off in like some logic. But
yes, almost. I'm seeing already a new upgrade needs that must be implemented soon. We need this. This is ongoing process still. I'd say we are still in beta phase, but it's giving up really good results by now already.
Perfect. So how do you use it yourself? Like, okay, before you had to call the debtors and talk to them, negotiate, but how does your workflow look today regarding the debitors? Like, what does your workday look like if you are saying that, okay, today I want to do with the debtors?
Yes, it's I'd say it's a lot smoother that I myself and our management officers don't have to spend time so much with making calls.
Yeah.
So we can do other tasks or do also new tasks regarding that. It has gave us some workload reduction.
Yes, but how do you specifically the program you use? Like, do you do campaigns?
In that manner, yes. Yes, we do campaigns twice or three times a week. We are selecting certain days and times in which the campaign initiates, and after completed, we are going through statistics also.
Okay, so it's pretty simple to set up and press go, and then the AI works for you.
Yes, no, it's pretty simple. Yes, but first we had to do pretty much thinking how to connect. Yeah, how to connect all the dots and how to make it the most efficient way.
Absolutely.
It took time.
All right. So, would you think that it could work at scale as well? So that if we see that it works on these numbers that we have right now, so like 120, 150, would you think it could work with the thousands as well?
Yes, absolutely. I don't see any reason that it. Why can't it be reached the same efficiency with a larger level? Definitely.